We love the feel of the summer sun, but its heat and ultraviolet rays can really punish our homes. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about protecting your home from the sun right after this. Outdoor concrete projects are quick and easy with Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag. Whether you need to set a fence post, mailbox post, or deck footing, or even pour a backyard patio, Quikrete fast-setting concrete in the red bag makes it simple. To set a post, there's no mixing. Just pour the dry mix into the hole and add water. It sets hard in about 20 minutes and you're done. It's that fast and easy. Quikrete fast-setting concrete. Look for it in the red bag. When you think about how much exposure a home has to sunlight, it's no wonder that it takes a toll. The sun's rays can make painted exterior surfaces bake and peel. Sunlight passes through windows, exposing the interior to ultraviolet rays and serious heat gain. And those UV rays fade and destroy fabrics and materials over time. For many homeowners, awnings are the perfect answer. By shading windows, walls, and patios, you can block up to 60% of the sun's heat and almost all of the damaging UV rays. The payoff is lower cooling bills and inside fabrics and furnishings that last a lot longer. There are basically two types of awnings, retractable and stationary. Besides protecting your home, the right awning can add a stylish accent to its appearance. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.